Welcome to third part of today's class. Student, in this class we are covering second session of unit 4th. The name of this session is Types of and Fields for Entrepreneurship. In this session we are covering product based, service based and technology based type of fields where one can be entrepreneur. Students, both a business and an enterprise are involved in some type of commercial activity. Both these can be belong to different types of fields or categories. First, product based, second, service based, and third, technology based. So let's see it one by one. First, product based enterprises or business. Student, a product based enterprise or business basically deal with a specific type of product that carry out a specific type of job. Means ऐसे product based enterprise और business जो हमेशा या basically specific type के product के साथ deal करते हैं वो product based enterprise और business कहलाते हैं. So we can say that product based enterprises or business are based on actual goods or products which are tangible means जिन्हें हम छू सकते हैं या टच कर सकते हैं. That is, they exist physically, can be touched and have specific shape, design and weight. Okay student? पर्टिकुलर किसी भी शेप के, डिज़ाइन या फिर वेट के हो सकते हैं जिन्हें टच किया जा सकता है. Now the products based business can be of two types. First, manufacturing based and second, trading based. So let's see what is manufacturing based business and trading based business. First, manufacturing of goods means producing goods in a specific shape and design using specific raw materials, chemicals, etc. by following a specific process using machine or tools. मीन्स स्टूडेंट रॉ मटेरियल और केमिकल की हेल्प से ऐसी स्पेसिफिक शेप और डिज़ाइन तैयार करना और प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स. इट इज कॉल्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. स्टूडेंट, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैन बी डन फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ वेरियस टाइप. फॉर एग्जांपल, पॉलीमर, इंडस्ट्रियल कंपोनेंट, spare parts, footwears and etc. Second, trading of goods. Student, trading refers to buying goods from distributors or from producer and then selling them in a markets with a profit margin. Means profit margin देखते हुए हमेशा क्या करना, परचेस करना गुड्स को. कहाँ से? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से और प्रोड्यूसर से, और उसे मार्केट में क्या कर देना, सेल कर देना. यही क्या प्रोसेस होती है, ट्रेडिंग बेस्ड बिजनेस. आफ्टर दैट स्टूडेंट्स, trading of goods can take place for products like all manufactured product, agriculture products and technical products like software, games and many more. After that, types of trader. Student, there are different types of trader such as distributor, wholesaler and a retailer. Okay, ये क्या होते हैं हम देखते हैं. Distributors means the trader who buy from the manufacturers. Directly जो manufacturer से purchase करते हैं goods को या buy करते हैं वो distributor होते हैं. Second, wholesaler, the traders who buy from distributors. जो कहाँ से buy करते हैं चीज़ें, distributor से, वो wholesaler होते हैं. And third, retailer, the traders who buy from the wholesaler and sell the goods to the consumers. जो बाय कहाँ से करते हैं गुड्स को, होलसेलर से, और उसके बाद उसे सेल कहाँ पे करते हैं, कंज्यूमर्स को. वो आपके क्या होते हैं, रिटेलर्स होते हैं. Student, we had already seen the product based business. Now let's see the service based business in detail. Service based enterprise or business. Student, a manufacturing enterprises or business sell tangible actual product. A service based enterprise or business sell the work based on some skills. मीन्स स्टूडेंट, अगर जब हम हमारी सर्विसेज को सेल करते हैं तो वो आपका बिजनेस होता है सर्विस बेस्ड एंटरप्राइज और बिजनेस. For example, when you buy a curtain cloth, you are buying a product. But when you get the stitch from a tailor, then you are not buying a product. You are buying the tailor services. I hope it is clear to you. So, service based enterprises और business sell services मीन्स जहाँ सर्विसेज को सेल किया जाता है या ऐसे बिजनेस जो सर्विस पर बेस्ड होते हैं वो सभी क्या होते हैं सर्विस बेस्ड बिजनेस. द वर्क कैरिड आउट यूजिंग स्पेशलाइज्ड स्किल्स मीन्स जिसमें स्पेशलाइज्ड स्किल्स का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a car workshop is not a product based business, it is a service based business. Let's see what is the difference between product based enterprise and service based enterprise. Student, product based और manufacturer enterprise में क्या होता है raw material, machines and products किया जाता है. Outcome आपको क्या मिलता है product. ऑन अदर हैंड अगर हम सर्विस बेस्ड की बात करें तो ये डिफरेंट स्किल्स का यूज़ किया जाता है, प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं इसके अंदर, एंड जब आपको आउटपुट मिलता है तो आउटपुट क्या मिलता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सर्विस. बहुत सारे सर्विस बेस्ड बिजनेस होते हैं लाइक मोबाइल, वॉच, कंप्यूटर रिपेयरिंग शॉप, ग्रॉसरी डिलीवरी, रेस्टोरेंट्स, सैलून. ये सभी क्या होते हैं सर्विस बेस्ड बिजनेस होते हैं. All are service based business or enterprise. After that, last one is technology based enterprise or business. Student, all types of product based manufacturing enterprises uses technology in some form or for the manufacturing process. मीन्स अगर हम बात करें टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड एंटरप्राइज की तो जिसमें आईसीटी का यूज़ किया जाता है. द एंटरप्राइजेस means both product based or service based that are based on ICT are called technology based enterprise. Student, the enterprises that are based on ICT are technology based enterprise. Technology or tech enterprises can be product based as well as service based, while Microsoft, DirectEye are product based technical companies. Infosys, Wipro, NIT are service based technology company. So the technology based companies either create or sell technical product such as application software, utility software, gaming software, mobile application and many more. They provide technical services like maintenance of bulk data, customer technical support or storage services. After that, इन थ्री टाइप्स के बाद एक नया टाइप है हाइब्रिड एंटरप्राइज और बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज. Student, an enterprise or company that is both product based and service based is a hybrid company. Means अगर दोनों होते हैं प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड और सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज होती है और एंटरप्राइज होते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाते हैं हाइब्रिड कंपनी. Many tech based companies fall in the areas. For example, a company that manufactures its own smartphone and tablet also provides service for the same. It has its own service centers to cater the needs of customers. Such a company would be known as hybrid company. That's all for today's class. Thank you.